What's up, guys, and welcome back to FOSS Institute. And today I'm back again with the series. If you didn't watch like the previous video, please go straight to my description and click to the first link. It will send you straight to the first video. So today I'm back again and I'm continuing with the series. And in this series, I'll be just trying to create like just a basic hands and the legs for my character. So let's go and get it. So okay, click Shift A to add a new object. So the first thing that we can do, okay, I feel like I have to move my entire of the can. Click A to select everything. Click G, then you click Z to move it upwards a little bit so that I can be just there on top. Then I'll just click Shift A so that I can add something new. So there are a lot of things that I can add. I'm just kind of confused, so just to keep things a little bit simple for you guys, I'll just add another cylinder. Then I'll just click G, Z, and then I'll move it downwards a little bit, come straight to the corner. Click S, then I'll just move it just like that. Just make sure it is very thin, just like that. So for this one, I'm just trying to create something very basic, click tab, just go straight to edit mode, then you go straight here, just go click like this face mode, just click there on the bottom, just click one, then you just try to make it a little bit tall, just like that. You can just click A. When you click A, just gonna select this one, click G, then you gotta move it straight to the left side of your can. So I'll just try to minimize this one, then I'll just click on my can, then I'll go click tab, then I'll go to object mode, then I just click A to select everything, then I'll click S, then just try to scale. I'll just try to scale everything and just click G, then I'll just put it there in the middle. Just try to make sure it is straight in the middle, because if you don't, uh, you'll regret it. Okay, you can go straight to the cylinder, you can just open it, then you can select it, then you can click tab, then you go straight to edit mode. Then I feel like I love like just to make it a little bit thinner, just like that. Then click 2 to see at the bottom of it, and see like I'll allow just to extrude it again. Click Control Z, click 1, go straight, click anywhere, then you would click 2, make sure you click to the bottom again, click 1, click E to extrude it, just like that. Click A, click G, click Z, then you just make sure it gets in just like that. So another thing that I will be doing, you can just click Shift A. Actually, before I click that, I can click A. Then one thing that I will do, I'll just click D, Shift D, then I just duplicated it, and I can just move it like that. It's my duplicate. Just click P, then you click selection, so it will just separate my other cylinder so that it don't share the same group, just like that one. And we didn't do this on the tortoise when we were creating the head and the bottom of our cap, because as I said, like I want, when I change the color of the bottom of the circle, I want like to affect even the upper one. So you can rename this, and you can just quickly write hands, because it will represent your hands. So we allow just to move this. So I'm really not good at moving this, so just click R just to rotate. Okay, before you do that, just click tab, go straight to object mode, select it, click tab, go back to edit mode, then you can just click A, so you'll select this one, click R, click X, click 9, click 0. So you just rotate it like this. Click R again, click Y, click 9, 0, then you click R, you click Z, you click 90, then it will just rotate it like that. As I said, I'm not good at rotating. I just keep on trying and trying until I get it correct. Click G, click Z, you can just move it like that. Just click 3 just to make sure like everything is centered on the right spot. Click G, click X, and you move it inside. Then you can just go through, select that one, click tab, go to right to object, click, then you go back. You can, sorry, I have to move this one, so I gotta click it. I click tab, I go straight to object mode, I select it, I click tree, I click G, I click Y, then I move it backwards just like that, and see if it's on the right spot. Okay, it's on the right spot. Click one. Then that is the basic of my hands and my okay, so I'll just try to quickly create a small hand which I will just put there. So before I do that, I'll just select on my hand, I just click tab, just go straight to object, then I'll add a new shape. The reason I'm doing this, I don't want my hand to have the same color as my arm. So I just click shift A, then I'll just try to add a cube, then G C, then I move it down just like that, then I click control 3 just to turn it to a circle. Guys, I hope I'm not moving fast. I hope I'm not moving fast. As I already said, like just to turn it to a circle, I just click control 3 and my blender is loading, and I didn't save. Hope it don't crash. Okay guys, back again, it's downloading. Okay, so this is a shape I created. Click G, click tab, go back to edit mode. You just try to just click 3 on this one. You click 6, then you can select that side. You click 1, click 3, you click G, then you make it, it's just small like that. Click 1 to go back to the front view. Click that's the mistake I did. Click A, click G, and just make sure is there. Click RX90, then you click 7 to go straight to the top view. You click G just to make sure you move it just like there around that area. Then I'll just click like this, then I'll select that face. I click 7 again. I'll just click G just to move it a little bit just like that, and I'll just click like that, and I select that face. I want this face. Why can I select that face? Okay, just click 3, then I'll select this face. I click 7, then I click G again. Okay, so so about this, I just go straight to my screw, then I just go straight there. I have to click so I have to go straight to object mode so that I can apply that. So just go back to your edit mode. Now I'm adding a new thing, a new object, and I'm adding it straight on my object mode, on my edit mode, sorry. I hope you can see. So to do this, I'll just try to keep it a little bit simple. Just click shift A, go straight to your cylinder. You know about me, one thing about keeping things simple. So the reason like I'm adding all those shapes, the A is just to try to add a shape which is similar to what you want to create. Click RX90, click enter RZ90, just like that. Then you come straight to the corner, you click R, then you move it, make it very thin, click 6, move it that way, just select that size, you just make it a little bit long, click 1, then you just select the entire of this one, you click 7, you click shift, and you reselect it. You gotta keep doing this until like you can select all of it. That is a disadvantage of not adding a new cube. You have to select all the faces before you can move it, because the moment like you miss to select one shape, one face, is the end of you, because you need to redo it and redo it until you get it correct. Okay, 3, and we gotta take this G, we come and put it around that area, click 7, and so my person, I want my person to have about shift D, just move it a little bit to the right, Shift D, just move it around this area. Then you can click on R, just instead of pressing the numbers right now, just do it like this. Click G, you just move it just like that. Click R and you rotate it a little bit. G and like that. So one thing that we can do, we can just add a little bit of a subdivision modifier, and we'll go straight to 1 2 3 and 4. Click tab, you go straight to object so that you can see everything. Just try to zoom in, and that's it. I really love it. Just to be honest with you, apply it and you click R, then you try to rotate it a little bit just like that. Okay, I really don't know what I'm doing. Click tab, go to straight to edit mode, select everything. I really hate this because I have to click 7, I have to click 9 to make sure I select the second area, and I don't think I can do it because I have just to make sure like I selected everything. You see those small dots over there, like they were trying to fight me, they're trying to fight me for no reason. um just try to select that, click 9 to go to the back side. I will lying if I think like I selected everything, because be in between the toe, my thing is as I said. Okay, just click A. I really don't know what I was trying to do there. Do it like that. I'm just trying to shape my hand so it can fit perfect. Click tab. I was just trying to select it all just to see like can I do it, guys, and I was right. You can do it, you can do it for real. Just click R and move it just like that. Click G, keep moving. Okay, click 1, control minus, click tab, go straight to object. Let's see it. By far it looks perfect. Okay, I know guys, you're already asking me why you don't create to the left side. So we don't have to create to the left side because we'll use what's so called mirror. I'll just try to mirror everything, and I wish I did my legs and my head on the same surface. So we can go straight to object mode, click shift A, then we gotta add another mesh. Why are we adding so many mesh? Just click G, click Z, you just move it downwards. What do? We click tab, go straight to edit mode, we click that, we just move it a little bit to that side, and we try to make this a little bit small, and we click G and we just try to move it straight to that leg. Click 3 so that you can see that you're moving on the right direction. You click RX, so RY to move it backwards, sorry, and come back there. You click R, just like small like that. Click G, you click go up, we click go out, do you go up Z? Sometimes I also forget. Click around this area, click Control R to add a new line there, then I add a line over there. Control Z, Control R, I add a line there. I want to add it straight there, and just zoom in so that you can see we use that head just to see where our feet is at. Then I just start from the beginning. Just make sure like you selected the face, and you can start straight from here to there. Just select those, but I can just undo that one. Click 3, click come here. Instead of extruding right now using E, you can just use G. Click G, click Y so that you can move straight on a linear line. Then you can come around this area, just click Control R. Then you just have to keep moving like that until it's there, until it's that in that area. And about this one, you gotta just try to move a couple of times so that you can get it correct. What I do, I usually use like the line for this one. I select all those middle lines, just try to zoom it in, use the hand just to go to the left hand side, make sure you're seeing it correctly, just select those, keep selecting those, keep selecting those, click 3, click G, we don't extrude, just click G like that. Okay, you can see we did a little bit of a messing thing this side, so we can handle each in which way. We can just select that one line over there, just click G, then you also push it a little bit backwards, just click 3, click 9 just to see it on that side of the view. Click G, you just push it backwards like that, click 3. So that is the basic of our shoe. Then zoom out, click 1. So my leg will continue to, okay, double click this one. Let me just write a shoe. I gotta make sure everything is on the right position. So for this one, just keep it like that. So I will just make sure I just go straight to mirror, then you'll just mirror that one. You can also do the same on your leg. Which one is this one? And okay, you just see it's selected but it's showing there. Just click here, just go straight to object mode, then you click there, go back, just make sure you're on object mode, first select it, then you can add a mirror on it so it will be straight on that side. You do the same on this one, just select it, you add a mirror, and you select that one, you also add a mirror. So everything will be duplicated on that side, so you can just click this one, then you add a mirror on this one, just like that. So that is the basic of our character by far. You can see that is our character. So thank you so much guys for viewing this one, and I really appreciate you all, and thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video.